In this video, we're going to learn how to see friend requests in Overwatch 2. If you want to find your friend request on Overwatch 2, then the process is quite easy. Start off by launching Open Overwatch 2 on your preferred device. Make sure that you're logged into your Blizzard account as well, and once you are, click on the Social tab appearing on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, from this page, click on the Invitation tab at the top of the screen. You'll be able to see all of the list of the friend requests that you received within the game. To accept the friend request, click on the tick mark in orange, and to decline the friend request, click on the cross right in front of it. Here I'm going to accept the friend request, so let me click on the tick mark, and now the person will be added in your friend list. That is how you can easily see friend requests in Overwatch 2. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.